over there. Taco Bell we go into. Clear Street. Yeah, could have walked right in right there. It's a street. It's a private street. Look, it's a cliff.
Yep, that's there.
Not a through street. You can't walk down there.
Careful on you.
Surfer. Pregnant surfer. Look.
Parking there.
Oh,
Parking.
there's a spot right there. Okay, see, I don't have any money. I can't use those stupid machines. Surf and paddle. That's their custom apartment only. So. Valet parking, private. Valet park right here. All of our camera stuff in there.
Oh, so easy.
That's it. Right.
Silly.
Valet parking. We're all trying to make money. Millions they're trying to get.
You have done there, just only parking lot.
Yeah,
and have
we
money.
can make a living parking
Yeah.
cars. If we own that land.
Yeah.
See, well, parking here, but I don't have any money. How do you do it? They don't take credit cards. You gotta come here with $10 in quarters. Maybe people live here, they know. Ralph's. There's the grocery store. Oh, did you sleep?
Go.
Yeah. We'll wait till it turns red. Well, Long Island beaches, the big ones we went to, weren't like this. This is a lot of beach. This is a small beach. And you take it all in. People are going to little shops, and then they're getting $20 bottle of, $20 glass of wine. They're taking all in. They're rich. They like to go spend money. That's living here. Walk to the beach.
Yep. Million this house here, even.
More than a million. A million ain't nothing. That's pocket change. Even here, all these cars park on curbs.
Yeah.
Are they parking illegally?
Maybe that
And they're
It's
walking
free.
down?
it's free here. I don't
I figure the owners would rebel.
know. See,
That's
have
it.
many too. See.
They just don't have garage in the house. You know what I'm saying? There's a garage with multiple people rent it so they can live there. And they all park on the road.
Yeah. No garage here. Small garage, only one car. Got that in the mountain.
they don't see the beach. You get those cheaper. Oh, Ocean View. No outlet.
At that. No outlet there.
Garbage guys. Ah, cool.
Yep. Wow, we ended the top of the mountain now.
Look how far down it is now. Not at the top yet. There's one for sale.
Millions then.
Well, pamphlet.
See?
No house going on.
One new house. They have other new house there. Hi.
They don't get snow here ever.
Nice that.
No ice.
Nice that. They have
look.
snow. Oh,
Go to
that-
beach properties.
yeah.
Free trolley. Look at that.
What's that on it?
On the beach. 5 bedroom, 6 bed. But they're tiny. They're like little storage rooms.
Look here. The view.
I'm going to turn around and come down.
Okay. There's the view there.
Some big houses there. A lot of houses for sale. People want to cash out. Get their $10 million. Go live in
That's it.
Florida. Go live in Florida and have a lot of money to travel the world. Oh, pamphlet.
Yeah, I get
It's gone.
gun.
Yep.
There's the view. Wow, make pop up my air here.
Yeah,
So
look at
high.
that. Still not at the top. Not there yet. RJ's missing it all.
Sleeping RJ. Oh, maybe they're cheaper, honey, because I have no more view.
Just to live here, but that's a long walk down to the beach. Yeah?
Yeah.
Drive down, and you get the same problem when you're horrible. They got the best house right there.
Yeah.
It's right down the whole building. This is it. Up top, yeah, they have the view.
Yeah.
Ah, look at that. Look at that.
Yep, that's the
Right down
view.
in the ocean. Turn around up there. Go back down. This is the view. Big less space with a big wide road like this.
For safety, that.
Look at that antenna he's got.
That's a nice house. Millions.
Curb improvements. They put all new curbs in.
Yeah.
There's your view. You
Yeah.
can almost see the Philippines from here. You're so high up. You know? It's Pacific Ocean. See Hawaii anyway. Just kidding. Old houses been around since the 80s,
Yeah.
70s. 40, 50 years old. Some probably have tons of improvements. Some don't. The one's way up here with no view might only be $1 million. You know, make it look. You got a view, you're $10 million.
Yeah.
It's all about the property, not the house. Same garbage probably have
Yeah.
waste management. It's all water out there. It's hazy, but that's water. See it?
Yeah. Look like clouds.
Yeah, it does. It kind of like blends into it. See the water? See the ripples? Get your glasses on. You can see the ripples.
There's the view. There is.
That's the road we're going down to.
My God. So hilly there.
Laguna Beach. Yeah. That is good. Plus you got the ultimate view house. Stay. A lot of mountain there on that other side, just mountain with houses on top. No houses on the gullies and ravines. On the top, they can't go in the middle. Too hard to build. Too expensive to build. Now you can see the road a little better. To tell the truth, I think I'd rather be lower. Lower with the view.
Yeah.
But if there's a tsunami, you're protected up here.
Yeah, so high here.
Yeah, if there's a big earthquake, just sit back. If you have a house on the beach, you gotta get the high ground. Wow, they have a view there. This is the view right here. This is Southern California. So it's sunshine like this, 300 days a year.
Yeah, not so hot.
Only 60 days a year.
Not
does it
so
rain.
hot to honey. 89.
No, not so hot, especially up here.
Yeah.
Well, you need a sweater out here sometimes.
Yeah,
In the
but
winter, a little cool, 50s. Stop sign for me. Make a mistake, go right into his garage. Boom, boom. There you go. So I'd rather be this level.
yeah.
That's too high up.
Yeah.
Perfect. See the beach, mountains. Just have to put a house over there, though, outside like this one. When you want to go grocery shopping, it's annoying. Your ears are popping all the time.
Yeah.
Which way?
I know.
check it up. Look at Irvine too. It's an inland city, but it's like real nice. Irvine, Laguna Beach, Newport Beach. Let's see what we got. Millions. Plus, then even if you get the place for millions, then your taxes.
The
Taxes.
tax, so expensive. Tax.
It's 10% sales tax here.
Oh my God.
10% sales tax, property tax through the roof. Everything was 200,000 in value. And they've been here for 40 years, their whole life.
Yeah.
Now the place is worth $3 million.
Yeah.
But their taxes didn't go up like that. It still stayed the same, based on the 200,000.
Why not?
Because it's not their fault it went up. They can't afford it then. And we force people that live here forever, force them out. Because the taxes would be too high. Which way do we go?
There's street.
Okay, dead end. There's a California mommy. See, she looks like she's 25.
Yeah.
She checked her baby. Girl.
Yeah.
No turn on red. Is that a girl?
Yeah.
California girls. What did it say? Does it take credit cards?
Coins.
Coins it take? So people have rolls. They go to the bank every week, every month, every week. Get rolls of quarters. You know. You can't go into these businesses